Mr. Chairman, sir, jingkali bawanra na member Badan Buram Namo Plang, along will the executive member in charge be pleased to state whether the executive committee intends to outsource lease out the heritage village at Mauplang? Kajubab Kalong, yes, sir.
Chairman, sir, ko ayo disani member in charge Badan Buram. Te hani yong ho takamut la dono ki parties ne ki taki break bawai ya take heritage but lada dalam ta ten kwa batip dei manu but nur kom ka don nep ka jingete ani to mai wai te
Hadin ba la shimti kumu EM in charge of arts and culture ngila dep reconstitute shua ya ka Khasi Heritage Village Management Committee. Habaki adan lang ki member nakahima sangut but ngina ka council sangut but ngilaya revise ru ya ka share kabadai menchua 50-50 mentang ngila penlong ya ka 60-40 te hadin kata ngilaya penlong ka jing yalang arsen ka wei council ka wei sheng te sha Mauplang Heritage Village but hang tahi ngilai kut ba min outsource no ya kata but nakaliang jong kahima ki ong balada don kalat ban ai yaki kena samla lada don naga hima tingila pensngau ngila ai ka jingtho ngila ai ka remanda arsen ya ka hima ban wan ai ka presentation sepo council but ki ku wei te nang kaliang ka hima kim don bawan tengi man se ba don ko wei ka firm ka kerteng ka living roots kalawan but kala ai presentation arsen te kaba khaddo nakaliang kahima ki ongba ki pat smuhun tingin sa bo biang sa kawai ka presentation last ang tangin na sa yarai lang.
Mr. Chairman, sir, ngai supwa ban sutu dia kerti don kin outsource wat list outsource na try ka don ka jing repair kin list ngai supwa smuhun dia na yang mencat ka ka outsource na ka list intention jong ka committee kin ka outsource na ka list outsource kabut ba ni ron hi mangi tang ba ni outsource ya ki Oxford ban ron ni kate te ngapat dengan don ka wei khendiat ka jing perkhat namar ngi don kam ki balong Mr. Chairman don kam ki professional tengah ting ba yo la dang shu outsource ya ki ada management na po ka council ka telot ating yo kanom position tendai la list with condition try hakaba council kala ban use haki occasionally ibang don kam long kan kami nak mar balik ngom tam Mr. Chairman sir kati kala long pending issues kababaro khoi ki kwa ban yi ka jing tanat jong kati ka heritage village tika chu ai jing mut khandiat kam de ka jing kali pada ka committee ka saudai ban pek bala da ka dei ban outsource ro ni de ban yo ki professional tiba amli ni kena kam ngatrai hoi ki don ki lokal ki bala kamnong professional tengah trai la dadai ban nabaru nyem dei ban pen kem than nang ba kan don ke beauty jong ka heritage village Mr. Chairman sa ta
In saya pe ya kata sir